we've checked into the Holiday Express in Auckland. It's a brand new hotel. And the reason I'm here is I want to try out the new breakfast alarm clock that wakes you up by smell, not sound. So I'm here in the room and I've got 3 smells to choose from. Bacon, blueberry muffins, or coffee. So what I want to do is I have to smell them first. So that's your bacon one. You add some drops of this water, drops of essence. I'm scared. Oh, okay, I don't want to spill bacon all over me. Oh, that smells a bit like smoky whiskey. Okay, bacon, coffee. I think that's probably going to be my preference. Yeah, that's good. Wish you could smell it. Or blueberry muffin. To be honest, the room smells already a little bit like blueberry muffin. They might have spilled some. No, not that one. Right, so because I want to wake up in the morning to bacon, and I'm going to test out, to coffee. I'm going to test out the bacon now. All right. So I'll just follow the instructions and then we'll get back to you in a minute. The alarm, that was actually the clock time. That took about 5 minutes just to figure that out. Now I'm going to try bacon. So this has already got water in it, and I'm to put 5 drops in the designated bay. Okay, I'm thinking that's not the slot. It's the bay. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's bacon. Now put the lid on and set the alarm by pressing the alarm clock. Oh, is that how you do it? Oh, that went away. Oh.
2 seconds.
I'll turn it on. Oh no, the sunshine. Oh, back in a minute. Can you see it? I can hear it kind of like crackling like bacon. I wonder how long it would take to wake me up. I like the smell. I'm not thinking it's bacon. It's a bit muffiny. But that might be because the scents are already sort of in here. Maybe I should hide one in another room. Not bad, not bad. But this is how it works. So we'll be back with the coffee scent all washed out, and we'll start again in the morning, and I'll give you my verdict in the morning. See ya. Well, good morning. So I've moved it away because I didn't want it puffing off right beside my face in bed. So I set it up over here where the actual coffee can be made. And don't pay any attention to that timing. I think it's been puffing for 10 minutes. But actually I didn't even set the alarm right, so you need staff probably to come and help you do that. And I got up and manually set it off. But it does smell like coffee. It does smell quite nice. I think at the end of the day I'd like it to make my real coffee though.